All right, we're gonna. Okay, what we're gonna do now? We're gonna find out the readings in decimal. So you have now this thing over here. Can you write down what is it in decimal? B, what is it in decimal? And then what is it in fraction? Anybody? 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 Okay, we have someone here. What about the fraction? Are you sure you have not done? Okay, all right. We'll try now. So down here now, okay, Izzat, you try B, yeah? So Umaira, this now down here is before 1. So it'll be 0 point something. This one for B, if after 1 but before 2, so it's 1 point something. Why? Because it's after 1. So how to find out the A? Very simple, you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always this one 5? Yes. Well done. Then what about your B then? What about your B? What about B? Okay, well done. Is that also? You write the B also for me, Umaira? And what about Izzat? What about your fraction? Well done. So what's the fraction now? Okay, fraction, if you do not know, this one is considered one space after the decimal. So this represents 1 0. We put 10 on here. Yes, 9 out of 10. Okay, 9 out of 10. And this one, what about this one? Is that you put, okay, so same thing down here. After the dot, you put it over 10. If there's one blank, you put 1 0. If there's two blanks like this, let's say 0 0.13, two blanks like that, you must put two zeros. 1 0 0, says two zeros here, and put 13 on top. But there's only one blank here, so it's down here. Same thing for the 8. 8 is one blank, right? So you put 8 over 10. Yes, well done. Like that, yes. Then put the one hole here. Put the one hole here. You get it, Umaira? You put the one hole here, like that.
Is this P5 work?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have not learned.
Have not learned.
Okay. This is chapter what? Is it A or B?
This is B book.
No, I haven't.
Haven't, huh? Never mind, we learned so that you're
Yesterday was my math exam.
yeah, I'm so sorry I couldn't teach you yesterday because I was packed. Huh? In fact, it was not only your school that suddenly had the test today. So many schools.
I know.
Right? So many, because they suddenly inform that you're going to close on Wednesday. So, wow, then they have to rush.
I'm very happy.
You're happy? Why are you happy?
Can wake up late, can sleep late.
Allah Akbar. Okay. Okay, come we try this one now. Come we try this. Okay, Shalina is coming.
Ooh, Shalina.
Okay.
Hi.
You cannot see her yet. Welcome, Shalina. Okay, Shalina, what we are doing now, we're going to write this number as a decimal, write it here, as D down here, then after that fraction. Okay? You try first, you try. We're not showing you anything. You try first. So this lesson is only 1 hour. We'll end at 7:05 today because we started 5 minutes late. But yeah, just take note now.
Every week is going to be 6 o'clock.
Yeah, 6 to 7 unless we look at the concentration span. If if the concentration span is good, then we may have it longer to 1.5 hours.
Where is Shafia?
Shafia, I have not called her. I'm afraid of calling her now. Well, is that gotta be careful for your D? Your D is incorrect. Incorrect. Shalina, you know how to do this? Yes, so can you send
I
me
have no
your answer?
idea how am I supposed to tell you what it is. Can
You
I
know what?
just write it on the screen once they
Don't. You do it on screen. Everyone is gonna
once they are done.
once they're done. Okay. Yes, well done. And what about your fraction, Mr. Norizat? Okay, good. Shalina, we are waiting for Kakak Umaira. Don't call me Kakak anymore. Okay. Don't call you Kakak. I call you Adik.
I I'm pretty sure I'm the youngest here.
You're the youngest, yeah?
I'm December
December. December the what?
4th.
Oh,
My brother's birthday was just yesterday.
I see. Come, Shalina, turn on your video, Shalina. Why you turn off
Whenever
your video?
Christina needs to send something, she offs the camera.
Oh, is it? Is that the case? Every time you need to off, you send something. Is it true? Come, we are waiting. Okay, now, Humaira, you write it down on the screen now. We are waiting for you. Write down the screen now. And the rest, you also need to give me in fractions for Izzat, and 3 out of 3 cannot be lah. 3 out of 3. Izzat, cannot be 3 out of 3 lah. Come, Umaira, yours is correct. Your 8 was correct. Confident, Umaira. Confident. Shalina, what about the fractions? You didn't give. Okay, all right. For 8.4. Okay. All right, everyone got 8.4. Well done. And 9.4, not 9.4. Be careful. It's not 9.4. Check carefully. It's 9 point something, but not 0.4. 8.4 is correct. 8.4 is correct. Okay. 8.4 is correct. Now, how do we know it's correct? You can see. You can see how. You see, this is 5, 1 before 5 is 4. This is 5. You got 1 and 2 before 5. So it's 9.3. Yes. You can count right down here. 1, 2, 3. Now, what about the fraction? Fraction, yes, 3 out of 10. Yes, down here. You see this 3 is 3 out of 10. So it's 9 whole, 3 out of 10. You see, you got 9 whole plus 3 out of 10. It's 8 whole, 4 out of 10. Okay. We are going to move. I think Shafia's mother just contacted me. Let's see. Okay, you try again. Okay. No, it's not. This one. You're supposed to, no need to draw an arrow. Okay, no, we don't do this one. Sorry. Can you try this one? We have two answers over here.
Is Shafia joining?
She's sleeping.
Sleeping Beauty. Yeah.
Tidur. She just have exam today. But you also just have an exam today. So
And I was eating a waffle
waffle with ice cream.
with honey and chocolate syrup.
Oh wow.
My
Sure. Huh?
my 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 cousin's grandmother made for us. So nice.
Okay. Now, okay, well done, Izzat. What about the rest? What about the rest? Come, we're waiting for the two girls. The two girls for this one. Izzat has gotten it already. Come on, Umaira. Turn on your video. Don't hide from us. We need to see your waffle and the chocky. So, Izzat, do you have school tomorrow onwards? No. Yeah, Shafia has school tomorrow till next Friday. Umaira. Umaira, gotta be careful. No. Okay. We are waiting for Shalina. What about Shalina? You know how to do this, Miss Shalina. So, Umaira, your answer is like almost there, but it's not there. There is not even one hole here. What more? 100 holes. So how do we write this? As a fraction, I will write what Izzat has written. This is 3 of them shaded 3. Out of how many? See, I do not know how many. Well, normally when they give you squares like this, is 10 or 100. So you see, there's 10 squares here, you count, times 10 is 100. You don't need to count everything. Huh? Maybe Shalina, you're spending time counting. You see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So 3 are 100 as a fraction. Okay. Then what about decimal? Decimal, remember I say, if there's 2 zeros, you give the number 2 blanks. 1, 2. And then put the 3 down here. And what about the rest? The rest, put it as 0. What about here? Is there any number here? There's no number. Put it as 0 also. 0.03. Not 20. Okay. So the next one, yes. The next one, what about is that? Hey, the two girls, where have you gone to? Yes, okay. All right, correct, Shalina, for B. What about Umaira? Umaira, where are you, Umaira? You know that your mom will be very worried for you. If this was a physical class, be wondering, where has that girl gone to? She might be missing. Okay, so you try B, C, and D.
And here you cannot see me.
Huh? We couldn't see you. You disappeared, huh? I'm just afraid you're, while I'm teaching you, then say in the end, huh? Where's Umaira? Then your mom messaged me and say, oh, she's playing with her cousins. Come. Chayo, come on. Well done, Izzat, for B. We are waiting for C.
The door is locked and my cousins are outside.
I see.
There is
Come.
no one in the room.
Are you scared?
No,
Is it a scary room?
no.
Do you hear any sounds coming from the corners of the room?
Yeah,
What is that?
the fan.
Okay, let us see.
Besides from that, it's only like the fan. And I've been staying here for 10 years, so nothing scary.
Wow. Shalina, how do you get 2 holes? There's only 1 hole down here. This is considered 1 hole. This is 1 hole, not 2 holes. If 2, yes. If 2 holes, they must have like that, Shalina. Must have another one. Then it's 2 holes. But there's no 2 holes, only 1 hole. So now, is that, yes, you must do decimal. So is that, how come you only do fraction? Let me see. Is that, yes, well done. Must do the decimal also. But we are waiting for one girl. That girl have not done. Come, you do down here. Come straight away.
Done, but I don't want to write.
Okay, right on the screen now for this one on B. She wants to be a teacher. That's why you should become a teacher. Correct. Well done, Izzat. And the rest you continue to D. We're going to check Miss Umaira, Cikgu Umaira's answer for B right on the screen. Not that C, Umaira. We want B above. Please. Please go. Oh. Ini punya lama gini. Satu line tu 10 lah. 10, 10. 10, 20. Then the last one you count. How many? Total is 100. Okay, 2. Sama. Okay, Shalina, your D is correct. What about your fraction? Okay, well done for... Yeah, fraction you've already done. Okay, well done. So now this one 25 over 100, over 100, over 100. Right, over 100 kan? Are you this girl? Hey, Myra, why over 400? That's one thing on this girl, playing a fool this girl. Okay, 25 over 100 now. Now what about your decimal? Very simple. As I said, if there's 2 zeros, you put 2 blanks after the dot. And write the 25 here. 2, 5. Then what about here? If there's nothing here, write nothing, 0. This is your answer. The same thing down here now. We do as fraction. There's 1 whole here. We write 1 whole. And we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of 100. Okay, 9 out of 100. So how to write it as decimal? As I said, there's 2 zeros here. Give it 2 blanks. 1, 2. Write the 9 at the last space. Down here, 0, write 0. Down here, but what? See, if there's 1 here, you write 1. 1.09. Same thing, this 1 whole. And then count 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 1 over 37 over 100. Once again, if there's 2 zeros here, put 2 space after the dot. Write the number 37. And if there's a 1 whole, put 1 here. That's it. Umaira, are you listening now, Umaira? Are you looking down? After you don't know what you're doing. Myra, don't be like that, Myra. Hold on. This one now. We want the value of each digit for question number 3. Please the right. Is that, are you sick? You've just sneezed. Later, I'll show you a video called The Fastest Hands in the West. Have you ever seen that video? Oh, I watch it over and over. I just started laughing and laughing and laughing. Maybe it's either something wrong with me, but I just enjoyed the video so much. It's a true. All right, let's see whether Mr. Izzat, Mission, what number is this? Value of each digit. Each digit. Okay, what's the value? The first one. Oh, yeah. You're doing now. Okay. Myra is bored. Okay, you need to tell me the answer. You just write down there. How do I know the answer? Okay. We'll do the first one first, A in a moment, okay? Because let's standardize it. Shalina, you know how to do A? Shalina, you know how to do A? Do you know how to do? Okay, we try. Okay, let us see. Let us see. Down here now, how to get, okay, well done. But there's some corrections, no result down here. If this is 2, take out the 2. Down here, you need to put a 0 and then put a dot. So the digit 2 is 0.02. Now, this one you got no problem. What about the next one? What about the digit 4? Okay, the digit 4, do the same thing. But this time, the 0 after it, you don't need to write. Don't need to write the 0 after this. Follow, put the dot, put the 0, 0.4. And what about the next one? Well, the next one, let's try again. The next one, they ask you about the digit 8. Now, the digit 8, just pick up the 8. You just don't need to do anything else, just down here. Otherwise, you put like a dot .00, but you don't need to put the .00. You don't need to put the .00. Okay, so the answer is 8. And the last one, 1, you need to put the 1 dot, 0 here until the dot and stop. That's how you do it. Okay. All right, can you try the next question? You have a runny nose, so how? Are you...
Shafia's not coming.
Shafia is sleeping.
So why doesn't her mother wake up?
Her mother said she had a test, let her sleep. Nah. That's what the mother says. I know what you are saying also. I wish my mother would tell me that too. Don't be
No,
like that. Do you wish for that? No.
no, because
Just,
I slept in my grab.
You what?
I slept in my grab.
You took a grab?
I
Where
take a
to?
grab to come home from school.
Oh my goodness, such a pampered girl. You mean you take a grab every day? You don't take the school bus?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you must be one loaded girl. You know what's loaded? Full of money, money, money.
No, my mother just says she's scared that I will fall asleep in the bus.
Bus. Okay, come, princess. Come, princess. Come.
No,
Says
only princess here is Shalina.
Shalina is not princess. You are the princess. Come on, princess.
Shalina literally looks like a princess. Her wall is pink. She looks like she's wearing a dress. I'm wearing a baju and sweatpants.
I do not know whether we want to call that. Is that what you call a princess?
No.
Okay. See, but Shalina's so happy that you call her a princess. She just can't stop smiling. Hey, Umaira, do lah the work. Umaira, you say. Then say, I'm writing. Why don't you type it?
Already do.
Okay, for the rest information, Umaira is the girl who can teach me how to use Zoom, and now suddenly she doesn't know how to send her answers. Can you imagine? She's teaching me, So that means you are pretending not to know how to do lah. Apalah this girl. Then you like no, then send the answer lah. Send the answer. Okay, well done, Shalina. Well done. Okay, so everyone has gotten it. We are waiting for Princess, but we don't know whether Princess is going to give it to us lah.
Yeah, then the princess just sent the answer. Shalina just sent, right?
No, the princess sent the answer to me. She says, and she sent the answer to me saying no.
Princess. I am never gonna be a princess.
Okay lah. Okay, here we go now. The 3 down here. Put the 3 on top.
You see,
0.
you Shalina doesn't have this.
Okay, 0.03. This one we are going through for the princess, I think, because all the others, both Shalina and Izzat have already given answers. Just for the princess. Huh? It's for you lah. You are the princess, right? No one. You don't like to be called a princess. She likes to be called the queen. Oh, queen is full of power. Okay, well done, well done. You see this girl, she knows how to do. Okay, one more. Good. Okay, that means you all know how to do 6. Well done, well done. Okay, congratulations. For doing that, I will show you this video. It is a very short video, but I can't believe this happened. I think it happened in Malaysia, and I forwarded it to so many people, and people.
Show the video. Me and Shalina are just laughing.
Aduh, this one is just so shocking. Like I got so shocked, I can't believe that it's this one. Hold on. Let me just. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna. Here we go. Don't be shocked, Don't be shocked, okay? Okay. Are you ready? Can you see this now? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay, this is now in this medical, I don't know, center or whatever. But watch what happens, okay? Can you imagine? The guy was so fast with his gun. Look again, watch again. The fastest gun. Until she pingsan lah. That lady pingsan, The guy sprayed, the lady.
Can we watch it one more time?
One more time. Okay, we see one more time. I find it so. Do you know the tune of this song? You know the tune of this song?
No.
Indiana Jones. Oh, you all do not know, too young. Okay, this, if you have not seen this movie, this is actually a very nice movie to watch. That music. You all know, Shalina, you know the music or not? Shalina, you don't know. Umaira, you don't know also. Izzat, do you know the music? What show is that, Izzat? Do you know? Unmute yourself. Do you know the music? You say, I know. What show is that?
Just talk to. No need to
Just tell her.
He's typing to send to you because he's too lazy to talk.
No, he's very shy. He's a shy boy. He's the real prince. If it's true, she would not. Yes, Indiana Jones. Have you heard of Indiana Jones? Never heard, are you all? Okay, I just show you just for your info. Of course, this is not to influence you. In fact, when there's this student who contacted me after 20 years, he said, "Thank you very much. You have influenced me in the movies." Alamak, I say, alamak, this is not what I'm supposed to do. Indiana Jones, this guy.
Indiana. It sounds
Indiana.
like Indian.
This is the guy. Have you seen this one before?
No.
No, you have not. Can you see the? Can you hear the? Can you hear the music? Are you able to more lah? You can watch there's 4 movies. Don't watch the last one. The last one is lousy. The last one was when he was an old man. I think about older than me. You can watch the first and second and third.
Why would you want to watch that? That looks boring.
It's very, very interesting. You know,
Me
I
and
showed
Tina,
I showed it to my.
We're gonna probably fall asleep and we're gonna be bored. I'll
Yeah.
probably go on the phone, go to TikTok, scroll.
No. You, Izzat, have you seen the movie? Is it boring or interesting?
Boring.
Boring, He's typing. Just tell us, straight. How come you don't talk? Boring or interesting? She's typing.
Tina's a shy girl, but she's
Okay.
the one on mic.
I read what Izzat says. It is interesting, but I'm scared of the girl in yellow. Okay. All right. Come, we try. Hey, girl in yellow. Don't scare people, lah. Girl in yellow. Everyone's scared of you. Okay, come. Yeah, because you are quite a scary girl. Even Amara also got frightened of you. She might have. No, I'm just joking. Amara got frightened of you and Auni. Okay, come. Question number 4.
Why always me? I never do anything.
Because you are a princess, you see. That's why. People are...
My friend got scared of me because a creepy song was on and I was moving my currency like this, looking like this on the screen. She's like, "Ayo, you look so creepy," and then she looked away like.
Alamak. Okay, come. Let us write. This time we are talking about the place, okay? For Umaira, you don't need to write. We will ask you straight. You have to tell the answer. Let us see. Okay, well done to Mr. Norizat. What about Shalina? Can you write while we are waiting for... Okay, if you're not sure, I have to show you something on the board. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you the board, Ken. I'll show you the board, okay? Now, I have written it here now. Okay, good. Okay, this was from... Okay, so if you write the number 4123.567, you have to identify where the ones is. Which place is ones? Now, if you don't know, you write the word number $1. $1, can you see the 1 is to the left of the dot. So to the left of the dot is the ones. Beside is the tens and the tenth. This one has a TH. This one has no TH. Beside the tens is the 100. Beside here is the 100th. And beside is the 1,000. Beside here is the 1,000th. What is the difference between the two? Tens means 1, 0. 10 is 1 over 10. Okay? If you see 2 tens is 2 times 10. 2, if this one 5 10 is 5 divided by 10. Can see not the difference? Okay? 2 tens is 2 times 10, you get 20. All right? Same thing. 100 is, if it's, let's say, if it's 700 here, 7 times 100 is 700. 600, 6 over 100. 6 divided by 100. So how to identify is very simple. Identify the ones first. Ones is always to the left of the dot. To the left of the dot. Okay. Ones, then tens and tens. Hundreds and hundreds. It is. Okay. All right. So are you okay? All okay. We move on to the next one now. We move on to the down here now. So where is the ones? Identify the ones first. That's what you must do. So the ones is to the left of the dot. This is the ones. So beside it is the tens to the left. And beside it is the 10 with the TH. Okay, yeah. So the 6 now is in the 10th place. What does 10th mean? It means down here 6 over 10. All right. 3 is in the ones place. So we write ones. Okay, ones. You know what's ones? Don't say it as ones lah. It's ones. Ones lah. Okay, not ones. Okay, next one now down here.
When you say
Okay.
onis, I start thinking of this Indian guy. He said
Uh-huh.
murtabak is murtabak.
Murtabak. How can he be Indian then?
No, no, no,
Murtabak.
no, no. No. Okay, you go to YouTube.
No, no, no. Okay, here we do.
Oh,
Aduh,
okay,
I'm scared.
not
Okay.
now.
Yeah, later, later. So this
That
one is
guy who says murtabak is murtabak
murtabak.
on
Okay.
TikTok.
So this 100 now you must remember if it's to the other side, there's a TH. Once you see there's a TH, it means it's over 100. So what over 100 is 8 over 100 because there's 8 here. So this down here means 8 divided by 100. This here means you times by 10, 5 times 10. 6 divided by 10. Can you see the difference? The one with 10 means you divide by 10. 10 divide by 10. The one 10 times 10. You have 100th divide by 100. You see? Do you know that you can write some, let's say 3 divided by 10, like that? This is also equals to 3/10. 3/10. You must understand this because this you need to know this knowledge right until your adulthood. Until the day you die, you must know this. Why? Because when you buy a house and buy things from the outside, they have all this stuff. You need to know this. You cannot say, no, I don't want to know this. You have to know. Okay, you try the next one. You try. So mispronunciation is also a problem. As an Arab, people ask Miss Sharifa Umaira, there is one letter sound that some Arabs, the original Arabs from Arabia cannot pronounce. What letter is it? Sharifa Umaira.
Can you just tell me the word?
Okay, so if you hear them saying Pepsi, they will sometimes say Bebzi, Bebsi. Yeah, because they cannot say the word P. In Arabic, there's no pa, right? Huruf pa you don't have, right? Alif bata, you don't have pa. So Pakistan, they will say Bagistan or Pakistan. Something like that. Well, but nowadays Arabs, they learn the letter P, and so they can say. So Singapura or Singapura, right? I don't know whether you heard of when they say president, president. Yeah, you listen to some Arabs. They say the P, it will be a B or an F.
President.
President is my president. Oh, yeah. He's my brand. Your brand? I thought it's your friend. Oh, friend, they can say friend. Nah. This is my band. Okay, here we go. Come. Let us see. We are waiting now. There is one girl in yellow. She's looking. Don't know what she's doing. If she's not doing, she will laugh. Oh, very serious girl. Is that, you know what I'm doing? Have I done this in class before? You were able to control yourself? You were able. Let me see. You're good. You have stood the test of time. Okay, let's check Izzat's answer. Izzat's answer, well done. You have identified. But what is the next one? 0.000. What is that? So they ask you for digit. Digit means one number. So which number is in the ones place? You got that correct, is that? But which number is in the 100th place? You didn't show that. All the rest have more than one digit. Digit means, remember.
I accidentally sent my answer to Shalina.
Why you sent to her?
I accidentally.
Oh, now I know. Shalina, you are her private tutor. Can't send it to me now. Send it to me now.
I thought I sent it to you.
Okay, then you send it to me now. You can resend to me. You can copy and paste. Okay, all right. So the first one, all of you got it correct. Is the digit 4. 4, digit 4, because this is in the one place to the left of the dot. Then you have 10 and 10th. So now 10th place. 10th place is 7. Good, And then 100th place. 100 is 2. See, ones, tens, hundreds. So hundreds is 2. Now you again, ones, 10th. 10th is 6 here. 100th is 3. So you just write one digit. Mr. Izzat, must look here, Izzat. Don't look at the lizard, Izzat. Down here. Okay, you know what's Tokay? Tokay. I explained to some of them what Tokay. Only Umaira knows what's Tokay. Okay, down here. Digit 4, yeah, we just write 1 4. Digit 3 is just one digit. Don't write the whole number. 7. I hope this is okay. So if you can look at the pattern, it's like this. This is 1. Down here is 10. But this one down here is like 10, but it's 1 over 10. This one is 100. This one is like 1 over 100. Can you see the pattern or not? Once you know where the ones is, you can tell where the others are. If you don't know where the ones is, you cannot tell where the others are. Okay? Alamak, one of you, the head become like that today. Hey, welcome the head sengit already. So fast. It is not bulan puasa lah. Bulan puasa, you can be tired. This one, you're not, shouldn't be tired lah, girl. Come on lah, girl.
I had exam today.
Oh, you had exam, yeah. In fact, one of your friends had to pingsan in bed, but you did not. You can do it. Well done. Shalina, do you have exam today?
Pingsan.
No. Yeah, she pingsan on the bed. Pingsan. Sorry, not pingsan. Pingsan. Because I'm talking to an Arab. Are you drinking? Are you drinking Pepsi? Okay, come. A, B, C, D, E. Come. A, B, C, D. Shalina, you got your exam paper back already? No. You got your results already? Once you get your results, ask your mom to send it to me, okay? Okay. Myra, come back. Paging for Princess Omaira. Paging for Princess Omaira. Please return to the screen. Izzat can do or not, Izzat? How come you look stoned, Izzat? You're tired, ah? Don't be tired, lah, Izzat. Aha. Okay, well done, Izzat. Okay, this is just the warm-up, all right? This is the warm-up. Myra, come on, Myra.
I'm here.
Why is it your face is all black? What do you do? This girl, lah. Come on, Myra. Instead of doing work, you are doing other things, lah. This girl.
Yeah, I'm writing. I am writing.
Don't write. Remember, you were my teacher for Zoom. Remember? Show me, lah, Zoom. Is that number C is not correct? Number D is not correct. In fact, remember, number D also not correct. That means you got confused between hundreds and tens. Hundreds and tens, you got a little bit confused. What about Shalina? Can you send me your answer? Umaira, come send me your answer. Why are you sleeping on one shoulder? All right, there's one cartoon, you know, Lat cartoon. So this guy was looking at the videotapes. Last time they have videotapes, looking at them. After that, he had to go to hospital. Why? His head become like that for too long.
But not like this.
Huh? Like that. Oh, sorry. Real sorry.
I still don't get it how am I scary to everybody.
You're not scary. Come on, girls.
Still don't get it.
Shalina, where are you, Shalina? Can you do? Okay, I do not know what you can do. So first thing we do, we identify the ones. Ones is here. Okay, good. So down here is tens lah. So 110, 600. Can you see not, Mr. Izzat? Is the second one is 100? The second digit after the dot on the right. First one is 10. Second is 100. You got this correct, see? 4 ones, 3/10 lah. Then 700. So now if you say 2/10 is 20. 5/1 is 5. 6/10 is 0.6. Remember, ones, tenths. 100 is 0.09. Now, some of you do not know how to do this now. Okay, you can arrange them in a straight row. But remember, arrange all the ones in the same line. The dot must be also the same. Now here, see, 0.6, 0.09. And then you add them up together. You get 9, 6, put the dot down here, 5, 2, 25.69. 25.69. So we test that. This is the ones, beside here is the 10th, and down here is the 10th with a TH, right? And 100 with a TH. So it's correct. So ones, tens, 100. If you have additional, that means it's wrong. 60, 6/10. 6/10 is 6 times 10, 60 lah. 400, how to write? 100 has 2 zeros. 1, 2. Put the dot here. 400 is like that. 4. Put a 0 here. 0.04. 400 is like this, right? 4 over 100. Right? When you change it, remember, 1 0, 2 zeros, 1 blank, 2 blank, put the 4 down. So what's the answer? It's 60.04. Okay, 60.04. We will now move on to the next one. It's ready. 6:48. We have another about 15 minutes or more or less. Okay, again, we practice. So we have done already. Again, double, triple. Okay. No, this one only. No, not this one. Same thing. What is this? Form 2 decimals using all the digits, and you can only use each digit once. Okay. Form 2. Form numbers with 2 decimal places, not 2 decimals. That means 2 decimal places means like this. If you do not know, 2 decimal places means, let's say 1.27. 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place after the dot. That's what they mean. So they want you to form as many as possible. How many can you form? And what are the numbers? How many can you form? And what are the numbers? Okay, well done, Izzat. You have 2 numbers. Can you form one more? Or maybe you can form many more. I think you might be able to form 6. Okay, we will write it on the board here. I think we can form 6, but can you form 6? Some say, can you form 1? See why? Short. You must have the dot, Umaira. Yours got no dot. 2 decimal places means you must have a dot like that. Dot, number. Yes. All right, we are going to go through in about half a minute's time. Half a minute's time. Shalina, you have 3. Done. Okay, is that you got 6, right? Is that you got 6? 5. How come you give discount 5? Come on, offer 6. That's like durian seller. Offer. In fact, do you know why? If you go to some parts of Singapore, the fruit sellers have lots of tattoos. Okay, I'm now gonna show you down here. 794. Let us see.
Chinese.
All right, now you try now. Let us start with 7 first. You can get 7.94, 7.49. Can you see there's 2 here? You can also do a start with 9, 9.74, 9.47. You can also start with 4, 4.97, and 4.79. Notice I did it systematically. One number, I tried the 7 first, and then after, and so on and so forth. So there's 6 possibilities. Okay. Well, many of the and don't say all, don't get me wrong, I don't say all. Many of the sellers of durians and all that, or some, are actually gangsters. Actually, the gangsters today in Singapore, they don't go into drugs and all because
They go into durians.
durians, yes, they control durian because it's an expensive fruit, and they also control other types of fruits like yeah. But again, I want to retract what I say. Retract means I want to take back what I say because first of all, no, I might be wrong on this because that was before lah. I do not know about now. Okay, I do not want you to get the wrong impression from me. So I may be wrong. Okay, so down here I can form 6. I think with 2 years. Okay. Can we try this now?
Why would a durian seller be a gangster?
Not gang. Okay, okay. So I think I can. I'm not gonna.
Why?
I think I better not say anything. It's highly sensitive. If I cannot see you, I'm talking to the ghost. Only there are 2 other students, and then this student is asking, please. She's not doing her work fast enough. She just. Okay, what's the answer then? Okay, what's the answer for A? You tell me. Answer for A. What's the answer for A? I'll write it down for you.
Yeah.
Be careful. Let us see. We have a few answers now. Is it from? I'm expecting from one particular student. I hope he or she is giving it to me. But the moment I see, Allahu Akbar. The answer is very creative. And when I snap my fingers, she will laugh. Sheila got no sound. Hey, Umaira, what you writing all this nonsense? Answer your A. Now then you're getting it. Now, but still not. Yeah. 0.66. Correct. Well done. Your A is correct. Okay. All right. Good. Is that correct for the first one? Not the FDGH. Well, I don't know what it is. That is when a person is drunk, they write it like that. Okay. Is that your A is correct? What about your B and C? Shalina, what about you, Shalina? Come.
Shalana.
Call
her Shalana.
No, why you call her Shalana? Shalina.
You call her Shalana.
Tersasul accidentally said the wrong thing. Well done, Mr. Norizat. Shalina, well done. And in first place, we have Mr. Norizat now. He has done B. Shalina is coming second. We are waiting for Princess Umaira. Oh. Shalina has gone to, okay, C. But Shalina has not done the fractions. And Shalina has gone to D. Now, Shalina must give the fractions. Answer for fraction. You have done A, B, C, D. Izzat, come. And we are waiting for Umaira. Umaira, are you there, Miss Umaira? Paging for Miss Umaira. Paging for. Congratulations, Umaira, for B. Paging for Miss Umaira. Well done, Izzat, for Che. Umaira, well done for C. Umaira is catching up now. Umaira is catching up. Can she reach the finish line? Which one? How come 0.4 is that? Something is wrong. There's no 0.4. There's 0. Yes. And can you give us? And it is now. Okay, Shalina. Okay. Why 6/9? Shalina. Izzat, what's your fraction for the last one? Umaira, well done for D. And Izzat has reached the end first. Once again, he wins for himself a free prize. Okay, you collect it from your mom. Huh? You know what it is, right? The cookies you gave me the other day. What do you call it? Brownies, is it? You call it brownies. His Izzat's mother can make very nice brownies. Okay. You see?
You know, you can also just make yourself a Milo cake.
Milo cake. Okay. Later you, why don't you make a video showing us how to make the cake?
No.
All right, so we are gonna go through this cake. So here we go. Down here, all of you have written 0.66. So Shalina, hold on. Shalina, if you see 2 digits after the dot, it means the bottom, the denominator must have 2 zeros. And put a 100. Just write this number on top, 6. So down here now you have 0.71. Again, you have 2 digits, not digits, digits, sorry. Digits. So you just write 71 over 100. And for the next one is 0.79. 78, So you put 78 over 100.
Like that, you sound like an old man.
I'm not, I've got not enough water. Hold on now. My voice now is like, just like a young woman now. Yeah, because I did not have enough water. 100 over 100. And the next one, 0.84. I am sleepy. Alamak, Izzat, don't be sleepy lah, Izzat. Izzat, now we need Myra to wake you up. Myra, can you wake Izzat up? Do something. Why are you not doing anything? I said do something, she did. Okay, 84 over 100. Okay, so this is, you must get all this clear because I'm teaching students in Sec 1, Sec 2. Some of them, they don't know this. So,
I need to try to wake him up. He's scared of me. What's the point of me? Ask Selina lah.
he's scared of you, he will not go to sleep. I thought that's why I'm use you.
Ask Selina lah.
Shalina is just sitting there like that, smiling. You won't be scared of her. Okay, come, we'll move on.
Then what, ladies?
Hey, wash your face lah, wash your face. You know what I do is that sometimes I will take this thing and then I'll put minyak kapak in it and wipe. Allah, it will burn. But do not do it, because you may not know how to do it. You put it into your eye. Then your eye will burn. Feels as if it burned. Okay, we have only 5 more minutes. So let's try this. Okay, just now, okay, I just show you again. Just now you started from 0, so 0 point something. Now you're going to be 1.1 something. Show you?
The video of the cockroach, the one.
Cockroach? What cockroach?
The one you show Auni and me.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
They don't want to know what's okay. You see, you look at Shalina, she's doing her work so hard. You look at Norizat, he's drunk. Izzat, don't be drunk, Izzat.
He's drunk.
Yeah, I have, when I teach students, sometimes they will mabuk. But this girl, sometimes she's just head is like that. I do not know whether you know her. Next time I introduce you to her. Okay, Izzat, congratulations, but that is not correct. Because Izzat, if you see 1.3, 1.3 is here, Izzat. Now here. It's very far, you know. This is 1.1, this is 1.2. So
Drunk
if you,
slash sleepy slash cannot concentrate.
okay, I put a 0 here, maybe you can see better. Ah, now you know how to do. Can you see not? Can see? So we're waiting for
No.
Umaira, can you sing now, Umaira? Is your voice nice for singing? Good for singing? No. Why? Okay, later we'll test the singing. Let us see. Congratulations to Umaira for E. Wow, Shalina, you have given an answer. Yeah, okay. Wow, very fast. Huh? Okay, Shalina, great. Izzat, great for E. Shalina, okay, for good for F. Umaira, good for E. Shalina, good for G. And good for H. Umaira, good for F. Good for G. Okay, well done, Mr. Izzat. 1.39. Well done, Umaira. Congratulations to both. I think what about the fraction, Miss Shalina? So we'll go. We'll go through down here. It's like 1.13. So you write one whole. So this tens, hundred. Put it over 100, like that. Over 100. So this 13 now down here, if you're confused, this 13, put it right above here, like that. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. You can see this green is the green color of chiffon cake. I love green chiffon cake. But it uses too much what? Too much eggs, too many eggs. So much so that sometimes you smell it, you say bau kentut. But anyway, now down here, you put 24 over 100. Remember, 1, 2 means 2 zeros. If you're not so sure, remember this is ones, tens, 100, right? 100 below. Okay. Oh, Umaira is doing the coloring that thing. No problem. Okay, that's 132 over 100. Alamak, she color everything lah. Habis lah she. Oi. Next one is 1.39. Okay. And then, hey, I'm not finished writing this girl. We got to strangle the girl. No, I don't mean that. This is on recorded. This is tutors encourages the strangling of girls. No. I retract what I say. Okay, are we done? Alamak, this boy, he want to go. Okay, yeah lah. Okay, it's 7:04, 7:05. So we catch up with you again next week. All right. Maybe in June onwards we might have a 1.5 hour session. Maybe too short, okay. Maybe we will see. Okay. What do you think, Umaira? What do you think? You prefer for it to be a 1.5 hours?
1 hour.
Ayo. What about Shalina? You prefer it to be 1.5 hours or 1 hour? Don't know.
A short means 1 hour lah.
Is that you prefer it to be 1 hour or 1.5 hours? 1 hour. Everyone 1 hour. Alamak, ni malas lah. Hey. Okay lah. Never mind lah. We stick to 1 hour. Alright. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.